Welcome to my chemistry channel, Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I will continue brief session of 11th class organic chemistry, which is totally based on CBSE syllabus. In this brief session of organic chemistry, under basic concept part 1 homologous series already explained in my previous video, and part 2 nomenclature branch chain alkane also explained in my previous video. Now having functional group, that means now I will start having functional group. How can we nomenclature and substituted benzene compound and part 3 isomerism in coming video I will explain. Let us start nomenclature having functional group. That means what is functional group? Already I told functional group means it is an atom or group of atoms which gives the characteristic of that compound. If OH, it gives the characteristic of alcohol. If it is CHO, it gives the characteristics of aldehyde, like this. So here some rules we will see. First rule, functional group with carbon. If the functional group itself contains carbon, then what happened? It should be lowest number. It should be lowest number means from that side we will count as 1. That means functional group with carbon should be lowest number and that should be counted as 1. Example we can see here, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. That means COOH, that is carboxylic group, and here since it contains carbon, that is why it is butane 1-oic acid. Why it is butane? Because it contains 4 carbons, that is why butane 1 means in carboxylic group in one position 1-oic acid. You see second example here also, here it contains CHO group. CHO means aldehyde group which itself contain 1 carbon. That is why you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 or also 1, 2, 3, 4 both side having same meaning. That is why here 1, 2, 3, 4 in 3 position there is a methyl group. So the name is like this, 3 methyl butane 1 al. Butane means 4 carbon, 1 means 1 position, that is aldehyde group, and al means it is aldehyde. Then come to second rule. If the order of decreasing priority in polyfunctional group, then what is meant by polyfunctional group? Poly means more than 1. If the organic compound contains more than 1 functional group, then what we will do? And there is a rule that order of priority decreasing. The order of decreasing priority in polyfunctional group like this. COOH, SO3H, COOR, COCl, CONS2, CN, CHO, that is C double bond O, OH, NS2, C double bond C and C triple bond C. That means priority, the best priority should be given here, then it decreases like this. Let here, suppose this is one functional group, another functional group, this let us CHO, then which one is the first priority? The COOH is the first priority. That means it will act as principal functional group and CHO acts as that means such a substituent. Similarly, suppose OH NS2, OH group acts as principal functional group whereas NS2 acts as substituent. Similarly, any compound you can check, let us these two, CHO and C double bond O. CHO means aldehyde, CO means keto group. Now when you compare these two, the best priority should be here aldehyde. Then what to do? CHO aldehyde group is the principal functional group whereas CO keto group acts as substituent. Now we will see third rule. If R, C6H5, halogen, alkoxy, nitro groups, anyone is present that acts as prefix substituent. That means what is prefix substituents? If nitro group present, nitro alkane. If halogen, halo alkane. If C6H5 which is called phenyl, that is known as phenyl alkane. Similarly, if R is attached as a simple alkyl, then alkyl alkane. Now start with one example here. Since it contains 2 carbons, so it is known as nitro nitroethane. And here 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons, and in one position chlorine is attached. We can write chloropropane, or we can write 1 chloropropane. Then come to next example. Here the phenyl group C6H5 is known as phenyl group. Since phenyl group attached with 2 carbons, so it is named as phenyl ethane. Then come to here it is known as alkoxy group, that here it acts as a ethoxy. It is known as ethoxy group, and since it contains 2 carbons, so it is ethane. So name is ethoxy ethane. Now I hope it is clear. If C6 is 5 attached, then phenyl ethane here, because it contains 2 carbon. Here also it contains 2 carbon, nitroethane, like this. Then come to rule 4. Same type of functional groups. Same type of functional group. If more than one present, then what happens? You will use the word di, tri, tetra, like this. But where you will use before class suffix. Then what is class suffix here? Suppose alcohol, OL, acid, oic acid. To before that all, you should use di, tri, like this, and with position also. And main important here, with full name of alkane. What is the number of carbons we will see, and first you will write the alkane name, then you will put the position, then you will put di, tri, like this, and before the class suffix. Let us see one example here. It contains 2 carbon. It contains 2 carbon, mean what is that? Alkane, the root alkane, that is ethane. And what are the position? In one position there is a OH, the second position there is another OH. So it is named as ethane 1,2 diol. See here, di word used before class suffix with full name of alkane. Here what is that alkane? Ethane. Then come to rule 5. More than one double or triple bond use. If more than one double or triple bond use, then what rule we will follow? What points we will observe? In alkane, Ne, last 2 letters Ne should be dropped. Then after that, according to the position of a double and triple bond, we will name. Let us see this one, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4 carbon atoms. That is why it is butane, Ne dropped, buta. And after 1 there is a double bond, after 3 there is a double bond, that is why buta 1, 3 diene. Now next example, where it contains 2 triple bond. I can count from this side also 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count this side also 5. I can count from this side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it contains 5 carbon. That is why here it is pentane, Ne letters, 2 letters dropped. So penta, the position 1 and 4. So 1, 4, and di means 2 triple bonds present, di, YNE, which indicates triple bond. Now come to 6th rule. Here both double and triple bond if present from each side in equivalent position. That means see here, this is double bond in one position. Here if you say this is also triple bond in one position, they are equivalent from each side, then what happened? Counting prefer to double bond side. That means you will check where the double bond is present. Double bond is present here. That is why you will count from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the lowest locant. That means here we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the name? Since 5 carbon, so it is pent. In one position, after 1 carbon there is a double bond, that is why in. And after 4 there is a triple bond, that is why 4 wine. That means pent hyphen 1 hyphen in hyphen 4 hyphen wine. Wine indicate triple bond, in indicate double bond. Next come to second example. In second example also we can observe after one position there is one double bond, after three position there is also another double bond, and sixth position after fifth position there is a triple bond. That means we will count from this side as double bond. From this side it is nearer and also they are equivalent from each side, so double bond has chance to count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means hedge. And after 1 there is a double bond, after 3 there is a double bond, so it is 1, 3, and how many double bonds? 2 double bonds, so it is diene. And after 5 here there is a triple bond, so it is 5 wine. So what is the name? Hedge 1, 3 diene, 5 wine. Now here we observe both double and triple bonds are equivalent from each side, but here in seventh rule they are not equivalent from each side. Which one? That means double bond and triple bonds, they are not equivalent from each side. Then what is preference? Preference to triple bond as the lowest locant. That means where the triple bond is present, which side triple bond is present, we will count from this side. That means here if this side is a triple bond and in middle here after 3 there is a double bond, that is why we will count here from 1, 2, 3, 4, because the rule say triple bond should be preferred at the lowest locant. That is why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pent, and here after 1 there is a triple bond, that is why 1 wine, and after 3 there is a double bond, that is 3 in. So if you say alphabetically E comes first and Y later, that is why 3 in 1 wine. This is an example where both are not equal distance from each side. Then we can observe other examples also. Here you can say one side there is a double bond from this side, and this side also there is a double bond, and both are having same equivalent distance. But what happened? Why you are counting from this side? Because alkyl group is present near to end. Already we know alkyl group or any substituent near to the that side, that should be counted as lowest locant 1, 2, 3, 4, and after 1 there is a double bond, in 2 there is a methyl group, and after 3 there is a double bond. That is why 2 methyl but, mean here how many carbon? Long chain 4 carbon buta. 1 position and 3 position there is the double bonds present, that is why 1, 3 diene. Diene means 2, in means double bond. Means here CH2, CH, CHOH. Here again see one substituent is present. So what happens? Since substituent near to this side, so here and the substituent that are also one functional group OH, hydroxyl group, that is why we will count from this side, not from this side, because this is the first priority to double bond 1, 2, 3, 4. That means here 4 mean but, and after 3 there is a double bond, 3 in, and in the position 2 there is alcohol group, so 2 all. Again see having 4 carbon but, having after 3 carbon there is a double bond, 3 in 2 position OH group, that is why 2 all. So name is but 3 in 2 all. Again come to third example. Here we can observe triple bond here also and here also. You can count from this side, you can count from this side. Then question is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There is no problem because alkyl group from each side, that is in 3 position carbon, that is why you can count from this side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, both are same. So here what is the name? In 3 position methyl group 3 methyl, and carbon total number is 5, so penta. After 1 there is a triple bond, after 4 there is a triple bond, so it is 1, 4 diene. Clear now? 3 methyl penta 1, 4 diene. Diene means 2, wine means triple bond. Then here you can observe that is one type of cyclohexane. In cyclohexane, what happens? There is a double bond. So it is cyclohexene. In cyclohexene, one substrate is there, that is nitro. We already know that nitro, chloro, that should become first. So and double bond is there. So what happened? 1, 2, 3. One double bond, 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 nitro. Nitro word should come first before, or it should be act as prefix to the hydrocarbon. So nitrocyclohexene, 1, 2, 3 nitrocyclohexene. And second example here, OH is a functional group whose priority is more than double bond. That is why cyclohex 2 in 1 all. The OH group counted as 1 and it is actually the house of cyclohexene, and 2, 3, 2, 3 there is a double bond, and it is, since it is counted from this side, so it is 2 in 1 all. So now name is cyclohex 2 in 1 all. Thank you all. Now I have completed this nomenclature having functional groups. Later we will start in next video I will start that nomenclature having substituted benzene compounds, and third part, that is isomerism. Thank you all.